You know, my grandfather on my mother's side was German, and he knew how to cook one thing and one thing only, and that was Schnitzel. German Schnitzel. Well, we're gonna make it today. Authentic German Schnitzel with the brown sauce, just like they serve in all the great restaurants. Stick around to Buzz Cooks, we're doing it next. All right, are you ready to make Schnitzel Grandpa Spinning's way? This is how he used to do it. Pork tenderloin. Okay? We're going to clean it up, take all the silver skin off, take all the fat off, get it nice and lean. And once we get it cleaned up, we're going to cut it in half. Just like that. Then we're going to go 3/4 of the way down. Open it up. 3/4 of the way down. Open it up. 3/4 of the way down. Open it up. Just like that. We'll set that aside. And we'll repeat on the other piece. Again, 3/4 of the way down. Open it up. Then on each side, 3/4 of the way down again. To open it up even more. You're just butterflying it. Now we're going to put this into a Ziploc bag, get our mallet out, and we're going to pound it out about 1/4 inch thick. All the way around. Just go to work on it, get it nice and flat. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. It really helps. Tell your friends and family all about us. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. I enjoy making them. Now we got these flattened out. We're going to get 4 to 5 eggs. Whisk them up real good. Get a lot of air into them. And then we're going to use Italian breadcrumbs. That's what I like to use. Or you can use just regular plain breadcrumbs or panko. It's up to you. Panko will give it a little bit more of a crunch. But I like the Italian breadcrumbs myself. So we're going to go right into the egg. Just like that. And drain off any X egg from it. Then we'll go right into the breadcrumb. Pressing it down, make sure that breadcrumb gets nice and stuck to the meat. There we go. Make sure it's totally covered and coated good. And then we're going to put it on a plate. And we're going to pop this in the refrigerator. The longer the better, but at least an hour. Preferably 2. That helps the breadcrumbs stick to the meat longer. Now I got my saucepan out. And I'm going to put a couple scoops of bacon fat that I've saved into the bottom. Turn the heat on medium. And I'll add a couple tablespoons of all-purpose flour to make a roux. We're making our Schnitzel brown sauce. So we got the heat on. We got the flour in there. We're going to whisk it up, make sure that there's no clumps. Whisk it up until it's nice and smooth.
If you don't have one of these saucepans, I highly recommend you get one because they work fantastic. All right. Now we're going to add a couple ladles of beef broth. And we'll mix that up. And right away I realize it's already too thick, so we're going to add some more beef broth. Whisk it up some more. And that's more of the consistency we're looking for right there. Now we're going to add some soy sauce, about a tablespoon and a half, and some vinegar. Red wine vinegar, again about a tablespoon. And we'll mix that up. We'll give it a taste, and if it's what we're looking for, we're gonna take it off the heat, put the cover on it, and let that set while we start to fry up our schnitzel. Now I'm going to be using my cast iron skillet with some avocado oil. We'll get that up to about 365 degrees, and then we'll slide that schnitzel right in there, and it'll cook about 4 minutes on each side, nice and brown. Just like that. That's perfect. So we'll flip it over. We'll go another 4 minutes. And then we'll take it out, put it on a rack, and let all the excess oil drain off. There we go. And we'll let that rest for a few minutes, and then we'll get to the cutting board and we'll slice it up. Look at that, that's perfect. Then we're gonna put some of our brown gravy on our plate. And then we'll slide our schnitzel right on top. And you have amazing schnitzel with brown gravy. If you've never had it, you've got to try it. It is delicious. So easy to make. Everybody's going to enjoy it. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.